Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to flip data upside down in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So we have this range of data, fruits on top and vegetables on the bottom. Our task is to flip the table so that the vegetables are completely on top. And we use the first simplest method. Add the numeric sequence in the adjacent right cell on the left. Next, go to the Data tab and select the Sort button. In this window, select which columns to sort by, that is, column D, and in descending order from largest to smallest, and click OK. And as you can see, all the vegetables have moved up and the fruits have moved down. We also have a more advanced way to flip the table using the SORTBY function. Enter the equal sign and then the SORTBY function. Select the entire range, then enter the row function and enter the range of column B into it. The row function will return a numeric sequence, in this case 2, 3, 4, and so on, and we will sort this sequence in descending order by writing -1 into the formula. OK, press enter and the whole range is flipped. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.